CleverChef makes cooking delicious, mouth-watering meals so simple. Here's everything you need to know to get started. First of all, make sure your CleverChef is properly plugged into its own power socket. You'll hear a beep and the screen will light up when it turns on. When you're ready to start cooking, make sure the inner pot is dry and in place. To select your cooking function, simply cycle through the options by tapping the menu button. When you've selected the function you want, CleverChef automatically sets and displays a default time and temperature to match. Simply press start and CleverChef will get to work. If the pot is not properly in place, the display will say pot and CleverChef will not begin cooking. Once it's in place, CleverChef will start cooking automatically. If you want to change the time or temperature of a function, just press the time or temperature button and use the plus and minus buttons to adjust. For some functions, you'll only be able to change the time. Take a look at the manual for full details. You set the DIY function in exactly the same way. You can open the lid at any time during the cooking process to add ingredients, stir, or season. We advise using plastic or wooden utensils to avoid damaging the non-stick coating on the inner pot. If you've chosen the pasta or poach settings, CleverChef will bring the water to the boil and then beep to let you know when to add your ingredients. To speed up this process, pre-boil the water in your kettle. Once you've done so, close the lid and press start to begin cooking. CleverChef is also the perfect rice cooker. Add your rice and water, press start and CleverChef will do the rest. Follow the ratio of 1 part rice to 2 parts water for basmati rice and you'll get amazing, fluffy rice every time. When using the rice function, the timer won't start counting down until all the water has been absorbed. Starchy buildup coming from the valve when cooking rice is normal and can be easily wiped away. CleverChef also has a handy delay timer, so if you want to be tucking into a delicious meal in 3.5 hours, for example, select your function and make any time or temperature adjustments as normal. Then press the delay timer and set it to 3.5 hours. CleverChef will then start cooking in time to have your food ready when you want it. When CleverChef has finished cooking, it will automatically switch to keep warm, as seen on the display. The food won't be overcooked, it will keep temperature just right so you won't need to reheat. To stop the keep warm function or to end any setting at any time, simply press and hold the keep warm/cancel button. This way you can't accidentally stop CleverChef in the middle of cooking without realising. That's it, you're ready to get cooking. Don't forget to check out the amazing CleverChef recipe book for loads of meal ideas to get your mouth watering. Enjoy!